Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is your host again from your channel HB Solution for Professional and Personal Development. Today the topic is, which I already mentioned to you, this is the various styles of communication. As I mentioned in my previous video that there are four clear types of style which normally people are using. So the first one is passive style. What exactly is the passive style? Well, the passive style is the style which those people normally use which are having very typical kind of personality. These are the people which normally they avoid commitment. These are the people which normally avoid the disagreements with others. These are the people who are very difficult to say no to anybody. Well, for example, if you want to take some opinion from them, though something is going on into their mind and they are one particular type of uh, having one particular kind of thinking, but they will not be able to express themselves properly, but they will go with the wind, we call it. Means if there is a group of discussion, so whatever the majority of people are talking, they will go with them. They will not be able to put forward their own viewpoint. Rather, they will say, yes, Ahmed is saying fine, I agree with Ahmed. Yes, I fully agree with Amjad. He's okay. Yeah, that could be done. Kind of trait they have in their values. And passive income is the thing, which often display a lack of eye contact. These people are not able to use the proper eye contact, and they have got very poor body language, body postures. And if they are talking, they will talk and they will keep their eyes down and then they will talk. So, kind of way, and they are unable to say no. If you ask them something, there may be something which they really don't want to do it, but they will be unable to say no to anybody. Most of the time, they will be always affirmative. So these are we call it a passive communication style. The example of phrases which normally a passive style communicator is saying is like, yeah, it really does not matter that much. Yeah, well, I just want to keep the peace, I don't want to have a quarrel with you. Yeah, I agree what Ahmad is saying. I agree. So most of the time they are like, going with the winds. They are not able to point out their own viewpoint clearly. These kind of styles are called passive communication style. You can easily judge when people are not having a good eye contact with others, when they are not able to give a good body postures, and when they are not able to say no to anything. So you can understand that this person is having a passive kind of communication style. So this was a 2 cent about the first style related to uh, communication, which is called passive style. In my next video, we are going to touch upon the second important and most often which we experience style is aggressive communication style. So till next time, please keep watching your favorite channel HB Solution for personal and professional development. If you have not subscribed our channel up to now, please do subscribe. Please like our channel and share it with others. Maybe it will be useful for others, your friends, your family members, and so on and so forth. So till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.